If daily productivity with your everyday tasks is something that you struggle with, this is an application that is going to help you get that sorted. This is ProDay, and basically the entire essence of this application is to complete 3 activities in your entire day to make your day productive. So whenever you open the application, you have the ability to log in a new task that you do, and you can choose from a bunch of pre-assigned tasks that the app itself has, ranging all the way from activities like reading to exercising, walking, or some other activity. Or you can even create your own custom tasks and add them or log them every single day. The application does a great job of really making you feel like you've done something productive as soon as you do 3 or more tasks, and you also have a handy calendar feature to go ahead and track your progress of productivity every single day over a period of a week or a month. This is a great application, and with that said, what's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video. I know I'm pretty late, but here are some of the best applications for December 2021. With that said, let's get started. Let's talk about the second application, which goes by the name of Pure Solid Color Wallpaper. Now, as the name suggests, this is an application that lets you choose from a variety of solid wallpapers. These can be matte wallpapers or gradient wallpapers, and the only reason I'm recommending this application over other similar solid color wallpaper apps is the fact that you can customize these wallpapers depending on the way you want them. So you can add text and choose from different fonts and basically make the wallpaper your very own. It's really cool, super aesthetic, lets you have a real custom wallpaper on your phone. Even though the app has a lot of ads to the point where it becomes difficult to use it, I would still recommend it because it's one of the only apps that lets you do that. Be sure to check it out. At number 3, we've got a really life-saving application for people who are using Android phones and want to switch to iOS or vice versa. This is iCare Phone WhatsApp. These are from the guys over at Tenorshare, and this is basically an application that lets you transfer your WhatsApp backup from Android to iOS or vice versa without the use of any computer. All you need is an OTG adapter or a direct Type-C to Lightning port cable, and this will let you transfer all of your data from your WhatsApp backup from an Android to an iOS phone directly using just your phones. It's super simple. All you have to do is open the application, follow the on-screen instructions, select what all you would like to copy from the phone, and then connect the 2 devices to each other and let the app do its magic. It's really nice, and I would highly recommend it. And the best part is that since iCare Phone is produced by the guys over at Tenorshare, they have a fun Christmas giveaway going on right now, where all you have to do is download the application from the Play Store, test the app, and then if you think that the app has done something great, you can put a real neutral review in the Google Play Store. Once you've added your review, all you have to do is send the screenshot of the review to the email ID being shown on the screen right now. And once you've sent the email, the guys over at Tenorshare are going to select 2 random winners on Christmas, that is December 25th, 2021, and they will be gifted a $50 Amazon card. I mean, this in itself is a great thing because the app also works really well, as you guys can see, and this is just an added bonus, so be sure to check that out. At number 4 guys, we've got an application called Ad Silence, which is basically an app that lets you silence or remove ads from apps like Spotify, Tidal, and AccuRadio. Now, the way the app works is pretty simple. It's an open source application. You can download it from F-Droid. All you have to do is open the app and click on the slider that says enable, which is basically going to stop the ads, and then you can select. I'm mainly using this for Spotify, so even if you don't have Spotify Premium, you can go ahead and use this application to mute or remove those ads and remove that annoying thing that happens when you have Spotify without the Spotify Premium. Be sure to check it out. There's not much to this application other than this, and yeah, let's move on to the next application. The next application on the list goes by the name of Upscaler, and this is an application that lets you upscale images. Now, basically what it does is it doubles the pixels in the height as well as the width of the photo. This can be really useful when you're downloading photos and they do not match the resolution of the device. Let's say you're downloading wallpaper, you like a certain wallpaper, and it's not really that big. Now, of course, this is an application that does not enhance the images. I mean, it's not gonna transform an unclear image to a clear image, but it preserves maximum quality from an already clear image using an algorithm called the Pocaro algorithm. Be sure to check it out. For all of you Instagram Reel creators out there, this is an application that is really going to take your editing workflow to the next level. This is called VN Video Editor or VlogNow Video Editor, and for a video editor on your phone, this application really has a lot of different features that a person like me would absolutely love to use. So everything from different filters to personalized titles, as well as speed ramping controls. That's right, you heard me right, speed ramping controls, slowing down the video at a certain point, then speeding it up again at a certain point, creating transitions, adding transitions in between, adding your music, multi-timeline, all of that. This is a very in-depth and a very high-end video editor for all Android phones, and I think this is a great way to have your entire editing workflow on your phone. You don't even need a computer because the app really takes it to the next level. I highly recommend it. It's already pretty famous by now, but in case you're looking for a video editor, haven't heard about VN, definitely check this out. The next application on the list really took me by surprise because it has to be one of the finest applications for all bite-sized content in one platform. This is called Volume Immersive Reading. It's an application which basically, brings you the most interesting stuff from all around the world, a curated content experience, if you will. So there are a lot of cool topics, and the UI is also very well organized. You open up a topic, then you swipe, and the topic explains it through wonderful graphics and magazine sort of bite-sized information. Doesn't take up a lot of your time. You really don't have to put in a lot of effort, and it gives you so much more information, and it's just beautifully crafted. The app is completely free, pretty underrated, and also is developed by the developers here in India. So I mean, what more reason do you guys need to download this? Definitely check it out if you're curious about learning different facts from all over the world. I would highly recommend this. Next up on the list, we've got an application called Wi-Fi Man, and this is an app that has everything from monitoring your internet health to an inbuilt speed tester, so you don't have to download a speed test application. You can also compare your Wi-Fi signal and see how your Wi-Fi's health is doing, and also pick up nitpicks here and there, like how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi, etc, etc. So basically all your Wi-Fi information in one place under one app called Wi-Fi Man. No intrusive ads or anything of that sort. You can also detect available Wi-Fi networks, test the connection, see the upload speed, see the download speed, monitor the health of your internet, compare the Wi-Fi signal on your phone and from your provider, and also observe different details. A really all-in-one application for all your Wi-Fi needs. Again, not much to talk about it. Be sure to check it out. The last two applications are games, and the first thing I have is called Two Dots. Now, I know most of you already probably know about this game, but in case you don't, this is an amazing puzzle game that's super fun for your brain, super fun visuals, and also an incredible soundtrack. The entire point of Two Dots is to connect dots of the same color. You can create squares and all sorts of designs. You can connect dots in all different directions except diagonally, and you'll have different puzzles that get more complicating over and over again as soon as you start playing the game. It's really fun, and as I said, has a really peaceful and calming soundtrack, and is also a pretty good exercise for your brain during your pastime, so be sure to check it out. Last but not the least, guys, we've got a game called Duet, and this is an arcade game. Over here in this game, you basically have to control two balls at the same time. They are of different colors, they're going to be different obstacles, and the balls can only move in a circular path, so you can use your thumbs on either side of the screen to turn this circle and avoid the obstacles. As obvious, the puzzles get more challenging as time progresses and as you cross over each chapter, and it's really fun. And once again, this also has a pretty kick-ass soundtrack, so I would highly recommend all of you guys to go ahead and try these games out. With that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know I've been a bit inconsistent lately, but I've been focusing on a lot of other stuff. Probably I'll disclose them in a new video soon. But yeah, Christmas is almost upon us, so if you're watching this during or after Christmas, wish you guys and your families a very Merry Christmas, and yeah, an advanced Happy New Year, even though I'll have a video up before New Year's. With that said, this is Anubhav signing out. Be sure to check out iCare phone WhatsApp transfer and take part in the amazing giveaway that they have in case you want to win the Amazon gift card. With that said, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day, stay safe, peace out.